Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara, and today I finally get to stain this deck. If you want to see how that turns out, then just keep on watching.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
Okay, so this deck has been drying for a couple days, but I forgot to remove the umbrella stand, so I have to let this little spot dry up. So what I'm gonna do is concentrate on the rails and the just the top portion of the deck, and then I'll let this dry out, and then tomorrow I will go ahead and stain the floor of the deck, so I can give this time to dry out, because I didn't even think about moving that umbrella stand, and now I have this big ring in the middle of the deck. So let me sweep off the porch too, just to make sure that we don't have anything that's like stuck on here. I see that a little bit of that algae kind of came back a little bit, but hopefully we can get rid of that with a little bit of that that acid kind of, that it wasn't acid, but it was like a chemical wash where I washed the deck. So if you haven't seen that video where I washed the deck with that chemical to get rid of the algae and the dirt and all that stuff, then I will link that in the card somewhere above. But let's get to staining the upper portion of the deck here. The color of this stain is called Shark Skin Suit. Oops. And it's just like light gray color. The reason I picked this color is because it reminded me of the color of the original, what the house looked like originally, what the porch looked like originally. It was like a light gray when we moved in so many years ago. So I wanted to get back to that color. Alright, so I got most of the upper part done. This is a very bluish undertone gray, which was surprising to me. I didn't expect it to be this blue toned, but it is actually gray. If I go this way, you can see the true color. So tomorrow, hopefully, if it doesn't rain, I can get the floor after this little patch dries up. So we'll be back tomorrow. All right, my lovelies, it's day 2 of painting and staining this deck. So I did the upper part, as you can see, yesterday, and now I'm gonna do the floor of the deck. So let's get to it. As you can see, I did already start on the floor of the deck, and I was trying to wait for this spot to dry up. I mean, it's pretty dry. It's been baking in the sun all morning. I'm not sure if I want to wait for it to get any drier like the rest of the deck. As you can see, the rest of the deck is pretty dry. I think it's dry enough that I can start painting over it. And this paint, or stain, if you want to call it a stain, it's got a sealer in it, so it should protect the wood pretty good for the next few years, hopefully. Anyway, let me get to staining. Here's a tip: when you have your brush and it's still wet, put it in a plastic baggie and then put it in the refrigerator, and it'll stay wet overnight. Just a tip. Okay, you guys, I got as far as I could today. There's some little spots down here that I just couldn't get through because I didn't have the right paintbrush to get in those little spots. And if you can see the clouds, it's about to storm. So I'm going inside, but at least the deck is now protected. And yeah, let me go inside before it starts to rain on me. So there was a torrential rainstorm last night, and the deck got pretty hammered with water, but for the most part, it's okay. Held up okay. So I can go ahead and put the furniture back. I put a little bit back already, but we'll put the furniture back and call this a day. right, you guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't like a lot that I did, but in the sense of all I did really is paint or stain the deck. But I think it looks so much better, and it's protected from all the rain and the winters that are coming. So I think we're in a good place. Anyway, if you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, and it also helps push my content out to other people, and the algorithm picks it up. So thank you for that. And I would like to shout out all of my followers from France. Hello. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, I got city noise in the background. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscription button. I'll wait. The siren is just on the way. All right, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button below and the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care.